Hey, I'm gonna. I want to show you something, Morris. Okay. What is it? First of all, close your eyes. Well, okay, they're closed. What are you gonna do? Oh, I'm just gonna do this. What? Huh? Oh, God. I'm feeling something. What are you doing? Nothing, Morris. You're doing something alright. Girl, get your hands off my display. You know that I'm sensitive to touch, right? Yeah, I know. I know exactly what you're doing, Angelica. Okay. Matter of fact, I have a surprise for you, and that requires you to close your eyes again. Well, okay. Perhaps I should touch her belly. Hey, I know what you're doing, Angelica. I can feel you touching my tummy. Are you serious? Yeah, I can literally feel you touching my tummy. Please don't do that, girl. Well, damn. Yeah, I know exactly where you're touching me. I'm sensitive everywhere. Ugh, what is that awful noise? I can't even stand that sound. Boys, get in here. Oh, what's the matter, boys? Boss, I'm hearing some noise in here, and I don't know what it is. Okay, what do you want me to do about it? Try and silence the noise. Okay, give me a second. There we go. There. Is that better? Yes, thank you. I just want to sleep in some pure silence tonight. Well, okay. You you don't mind the furnace kicking, alright? Yeah, of course I don't mind. It's just that I want to sleep in pure silence tonight. Well, okay. Good night, boys. Night. So, boys, what should we do today? Well, I feel like I want to listen to some music or something like that. Oh, Melissa, look what I got. Say what, Angelica? I said I got something for you. Ah! I'm just, holding it. Yeah, I'm not doing anything stupid. Give me that. God dang it. Ugh. Oh, thank God this thing is okay. She could have dropped it or something. Melissa, what is up with you and that silly speaker? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, why do you like it so much? What's so special about it? Uh, well, you know, it's a speaker, so. And you hook it up and play music on there. Oh, and. And it's really loud for me. Just the way I like it. Oh, well, okay. But I still don't see how you're obsessed with it. Eh, I just like it because it's loud. Okay, if you say so. Hey, boss. I got a secret to tell you. Okay, let's hear it. Alright, before I tell you, this is gonna be a secret between you and me. Okay? Listen, I didn't want to say this in front of Melissa, but I think she is a snowflake and she's pretty weird or something like that. Are you sure, Angelica? Yeah, she's weird and she's a snowflake. Angelica, you're probably gonna hurt her feelings. I'm not going to. And to all those times that she said that she was a good singer, well, I don't think so because her singing sounds like a crying, dying cat. Angelica, you're gonna hurt her feelings. Oh no. What's the matter, Morris? Morris, am I weird? No, of course you're not weird. Am I sensitive then? Sometimes. I'm not. So I'm none of them? No, you're perfectly normal. Oh, thank God. Oh, great. Why are you crying? You hurt my feelings, Angelica. I'm not weird, and I'm not sensitive. Well, you're sensitive sometimes. No, I'm not. I'm perfectly fine. Boss said that I was perfectly fine. Oh, it's okay, Morris. Please stop crying, please. Fine. Morris, I'm getting ready to turn this on. Okay. Oh, hell no. What's wrong, Angelica? Why... Why is Melissa getting ready to use that thing? Because she wants to? But I'm not in the mood to hear all that crap. Really? Yeah, please tell her to do it later. I need to take a nap. Okay, let me try convincing her. Now, Melissa, before you turn that on, I gotta tell you something. What is it? Angelica told me that she doesn't want to hear your music right now. Why? I don't know. So, can you just at least wait a little bit until she says you can? But I want to do it now. But Angelica said that she wants to rest or something. I just want to take a nap. She said that she wants to take a nap. Well, can her nap time wait? Uh, can her nap time wait? Can your nap time wait? No, I feel like I want to do it now. Look, Melissa, I'm asking you nicely to do this later. Oh man, are you serious? Why are you listening to Angelica all of a sudden? I ain't listening to nobody. I'm only listening to you at the moment. Yeah, right, you're listening to Angelica. I know. But just wait a little bit. Yeah, fine. Hey, Angelica, guess what I'm gonna be for today? Oh, great. What is it? I'm a be gangsta. You're gonna be gangsta? Here we freaking go. What's the matter, Angelica? Ugh. 2 days ago, you were a jukebox. And then, yesterday, you were pretending to be a cat. And now, today, you want to be gangster again. It's like a cycle every day, switching from personality to personality. It is just bizarre. Okay. Look, I just want to be gangster today. I know. Can you please stop changing your personality every day? Why? Because it is bizarre and confusing. Um, okay, but I don't see how you find it confusing and bizarre. Angelica, I'm a bit mad right now. What happened? Boss took away my speaker. Oh, did she really? Yeah, and I'm very mad right now. Oh, my dream has come true. Ugh. Well, you needed a break from that speaker, Melissa, because you use it too much. Boss, I am so proud of you right now. Why? What did I do? You took away Melissa's speaker finally! I've been waiting for that day to come! Really? Yeah, because she uses that thing too damn much. Okay. Boss, you better give me back my speaker. Nope. You need a break from it for a few days. No, I don't. I need it now. You don't need that thing right now, gangster. Oh, yes, I do. I definitely need it. No, you need a break from it, boys. You heard what Angelica said. Oh, come on! I don't understand why you took it away, boss. Is there something that I did? Well, you were throwing a fit when I took it away last night. And you were whining for hours until 3 a.m. And that led to the point where I really needed to take it away for a little bit. Ugh, why? I can't help myself, okay? Look, Melissa, just calm down. You'll live without it for a few days. Oh yeah, well screw you guys. I'm gonna take a nap. But Melissa, I need you to act. Screw you guys. Nap time.